YouTube Live. And look at that fantasticness. We are on YouTube Live. Attorney Clayton, you're unmuted. Now calling the matter of the people versus, I'm gonna spell his first name, Ikechukwu. His last name is Anuma, Anuma. This is ticket number SX4021941. This is one count, failed to yield right of way or interfere with traffic. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Spencer Clayton appearing on behalf of Mr. Anuma, P number 77302.
Is your client with us today, sir?
He is not, Your Honor.
All right. Do you have authority to act on his behalf?
I do.
All right. How are we proceeding? Today is the date and time set for, it looks like, a formal hearing.
Your Honor, it looks as though Trooper Michael Kane has failed to appear. I'd be moving to dismiss at this time.
All right. At this time, it is 10:26 a.m. No officer having appeared. The court is going to grant that request and dismiss this matter without prejudice. You're all set, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good morning, Madam Court Reporter. I didn't even make sure you were okay and all ready to go, Ms. Wilson.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm ready. Thank you.
All right. Thank you so much. All right. I have Attorney Mara. No, let me see. Yes. Did I pronounce it right? Mara.
There's one in a breakout room I needed to go back and talk to.
That wouldn't be for you, Miss Cole, for Mara. Attorney Mara, are you there for Ali?
I see him, but
He
may be in another courtroom too. I'll keep moving, and he can always hop in. I know. Attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Oh, good morning. Are you there?
Yes, Your Honor. I'm sorry about that.
It's okay. I figured you might be in another courtroom. Let me call this matter. Now calling the matter of the people versus Farah Ali. This is ticket P1386255. One count violation of the basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. Appearance for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Morning, Your Honor. O'Day Mayorway, P76460 on behalf of the defendant.
And will your client be joining us today, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Today is the date and time set for, do you have authority to act on his behalf?
I do.
Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing in this matter. What is your
motion to dismiss, Your Honor? The officer has not appeared.
All right. The time is now 10:28 a.m. No officer having appeared. The court is going to grant your request, dismiss this matter without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor, so much.
No problem. You too. Attorney Abuze.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Now calling the matter of the people versus Fatih Ali Soufi, S-O-U-F-I. Ticket number P1375242. Count 1, expired plates. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
For the record, Ziad Nicholas Abuzaid, P69447 on behalf of the defendant.
Is the defendant present today, sir?
No, Judge, I do have his authority.
All right.
And then good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Rosenthal for the people. And we also have Officer Harris. Officer Harris, can you please state your name and badge number for the record, sir?
Good morning, Officer Fitzgerald Harris, badge 1442, Detroit Police Department.
Good morning. Good morning to you, officer. Good to see you.
Likewise.
All right. How are we proceeding this morning?
Yes, Your Honor. After a brief review of the documentation and talking to defense counsel as well as Officer Harris, we're moving to dismiss both counts for valid documentation.
All right. At this time, the court is going to grant their request. I'm going to dismiss these matters without prejudice for valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate everyone.
Thank
Judge,
you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Judge,
Officer Harris. Stay safe.
Right.
Judge, also covering for Attorney Daoud for the El Bazi matter, if we can call that, if possible, or I can wait again.
All right. Now calling the matter of Bazar Al Bazi. This is ticket P1395111. This is one count 1 to 5 miles over posted speed. Today is the date set for a formal hearing. Appearances for the record, please, starting with counsel for the people.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. Matthew Rosenthal for the people. Corporal McCree, good morning to you, sir. Can you please state your name and badge number for the record?
Good morning, Corporal Jamie McCree, badge 2865.
Because I have to take off work.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Ziad Nicholas Abuzaid, P69447, standing in place of Attorney of Record Amjad Daoud. And I do have the authority to plead responsible to an amended charge. I believe it's impeding traffic in exchange dismissed the original charge.
All right. So at this time, I'm going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the day of October the 4th of 2022, in the area of Van Dyke and Almont Streets in the city of Detroit, Mr. Abu was driving a Toyota vehicle and did impede traffic. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And the court is satisfied as well. That's the same as blockading, isn't it?
Correct, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So the court's going to enter a plea to the amended charge of blockading. That fine is $175. Please inform him that that is due no later than November 16th, 2023. Okay.
Wonderful. Thank you, everyone. Have a beautiful day.
You too. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thank you, Corporal McCree. Stay safe.
All right.
Thank you.
Ms.
you, sir.
Warfield.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are
Good
you?
morning. I'm wonderful. Thank you. How about yourself?
Can't complain.
Now calling the matter of the people versus Mohammed Al-Ghazali. This is ticket number P1393341. One count 21 to 25 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Jessica Warfield, P85391, standing in place of Attorney of Record Ryan Hill. On behalf of Mr. Al-Ghazali, I do have his authority to appear on his behalf, Your Honor.
All right, thank you so much. And counsel for the people.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, Matthew Rosenthal for the people. Corporal Croxton, can you please place your name and badge number on the record, sir?
Good morning, Judge Corporal Croxton, 665 Detroit Police Officer. Good morning.
Thank you so much, officer, for being here today. What is your pleasure of both of you? Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing in this matter.
Yes, Your Honor. This is the first appearance that Ms. Warfield and Attorney Hill had made on this case that went straight to formal hearing. We're asking if you don't mind to adjourn it out so they can take a Michigan driver improvement course and then have it set for formal hearing after the course is completed.
Okay. How much time do you believe your client may need, Ms. Warfield, to complete such a task?
Your Honor, can we just get 30 days to be sure?
Absolutely. So I'll set this for, is it, Ms. Dawn, is it okay for me to use a 30-day date, or do you want me to do the trial date on 11/28 at 10:45 a.m.?
Can we use the December 7th? That's a Wednesday. That would be your next
All right.
formal hearing date.
Okay, we're going to put it for December the 7th, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to adjourn this matter until December 7th, 2022, and she set it at 8:35 a.m.?
Correct, Your Honor. 8:30, it's usually 8:35. We do have some 9:30, so I'm not sure if we're going to the 9:30s.
Okay. What time would you prefer? I'll do 8:35 a.m.
8:30.
Absolutely, Your Honor.
And we'll do this for a formal hearing that day, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. Everyone have a great day.
Thank you, Corporal Croxton. And then it looks like we have Attorney Shaib here as well, Your Honor, and then Sergeant Martin, but Sergeant Martin is not in that case. I'm sorry, Ms. Shaib. I'm not sure if the officer checked in on this case as well.
So, yeah, thanks. We got a offer, I believe it's impeding, and we are ready whenever the court is, Your Honor.
Okay.
All right, I'm ready for you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Mohammed. I'm going to spell his last name, Altabyaini. This is ticket number SX412756661. This is one count limited access speed, 26 to 30 miles over posted speed. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jessica Shaipi, number 81798, on behalf of Mr. Altabyaini. I do ask the court respectfully to waive his presence. I do have authority to accept an offer on his behalf.
All right. And just so you know, Attorney Rosenthal, this is a state matter. I have a state offer in front of me. All right.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. So with that being said, the court is going to read from the ticket to establish a factual basis that on the date of October 1st of 2022 in the area of I-96 and Burt Road in the city of Detroit, Mr. Al-Tabani was driving a Lexus vehicle and did impede traffic with his speed. Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right. And the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of blockading or impeding traffic in this particular matter. The fine for that is $175. He has 14 days to pay this matter off. That will put it at November 16th, 2022. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Tell your client to slow down. Woo.
I know. Trust me.
On it. Slow down.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Thanks, Matt. Thank you.
Have a good day. And
You
then
too.
we have Sergeant Martin here, Your Honor. Sergeant Martin, who were you here for, sir?
Moesa Al-Shamari.
Yes, Ms. Cole did speak with him. I offered him limited excess speed, 6 to 10 over, and then he would have to plead to the seatbelt, and she advised me that he was going to do so.
Awesome. Thank you so much. And then, Your Honor, I am going to, I'll see you in a little bit. I think I'm good here. Can I be released, Your Honor?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day, and I will see you guys all this afternoon. If you need anything, Attorney Fikens, please let me know.
Thank you. Thank you, Attorney Rosenthal.
All right. Is this the attorney, Mr. Al-Shamari?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Moesa Al-Shamari. This is ticket X4117688. Count 1, speed 16 to 20 miles over. Count 2, violation of the seatbelt law. Driver. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, my client was driving 72
Well, just
miles.
for the record, put your name on the record first.
Put your name on the record for me, okay?
Attorney Rashad Al-Masmari. I'm representing Musa
And your P
Al-Masmari.
number, sir?
I'm sorry?
I said, and your P number, sir?
86023.
Okay, thank you.
Sorry.
No, you're fine, sir. Attorney Cole, is this a matter for you?
Yes, it is, Your Honor, but his P number made me feel very old. Do I have to say mine?
No, it's on the screen, so it's too late.
Oh, that's true. Paul Cole on behalf of the people, P31888. I had some conversations with Sergeant Martin and with Attorney Elsa, myself, and Attorney Rashad, and we agreed to amend count 1 to limited access 6 to 10, but he would plead guilty on the seatbelt matter. And we did have conversations about that.
All right. And your client wants to take advantage of that, sir?
No, ma'am, because my client was driving, 72 miles and 55 speed limit, because his mom has diabetes type 2.
Not to cut you up, I thought we had talked about that and you wanted to take the offer.
No, not taking the offer.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
All right. So you're gonna have to hold
Yes.
on a minute if y'all not taking
Yes,
the offer.
yes,
Let me-
I said he's been working 4 years with Amazon.
All right, sir,
And the
you just
point-
gonna have to give me a minute. Let me finish up my docket and then I'll come back to you. Do we have any other, sorry, Sergeant Martin, you're gonna have to hold tight for a minute because they want to have a formal hearing. So just give me 1 minute. And he needs to be on here for the formal hearing. Well, can the attorney represent him for the formal hearing? I thought he had to be here because you can't testify on his behalf.
He is here too.
Okay, fantastic. All right.
Okay.